to create a home appliances e-commerce website on Weebly. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the sign up button to create a new account. And if you already have an account, just go with login and proceed to type in your email or your username. And after typing your email, click on next to proceed to type in your password. So just give it a few seconds to load. And after typing your password, click on login. After logging in, the first step of creating your store is choosing a name for the store. So it doesn't matter what name you give it now, you can always change the name later. So after typing the name, click on continue. Then you have a question and you have 3 answers. Choose the answer that fits you. Then do the same again with this other question. And then you proceed to choosing the category of the items that you will be selling. So here my store is about home appliances. So I'm going with the home and living category. And if you can't find your category in this list, just click on other, then go with continue. After that, if you already have a store in the real world, type in the address of the store. If not, just skip this step and then give them a few seconds to build your store. And here, this is the dashboard, as you can see, and in your right you have the edit site button and also the design now button, and both of them take us to the designing phase or the editing phase. And here in your left you have 9 sections, and I'm going to go through each one of these sections and explain it for you. Starting with website, you can find also the edit site button again. Then we have the domains button where you can set up your domain name or change the one that you already have. Then we have the items section where you have the site items where you can create new products or delete the ones that you already have. Then we have the site's categories. If you want to categorize the products that you created before in the site items, you can just go to the site categories. Then we have options, coupons, gift cards, customer reviews, and item preferences. And that's it for this section. Then we have the orders section where you can manage and check all of your orders, see the fulfilled one, the shipped one, and the cancelled one, and so on. Then we have the fulfillment section where you can set up your pickup settings or your shipping settings. Then we have the reports section where you have the site's traffic reports, site's activity reports, sources reports, online sales reports, site items reports, abandoned carts reports, and coupons reports. And on top of that, if you want to see the summary of all these reports, you have the summary button. Then we have the marketing section where you can find every tool that is related to growing your audience, starting from email, automated ads, mailing lists, segments, and setup. And if you want to see the summary of all these tools, just click on the summary button like always. Then we have the communications section where you have the email and text alerts, pop-ups, messenger, and abandoned carts. And last but not least, you have the settings section where you have the general settings if you want to change the company name or change the email or the address or your phone number. So you can change all of these in the general settings. So just give it a few seconds to load. Let's reload it. And now it will show up. It takes a little bit of time to load, guys. You will need to be patient with this platform. And this is it here. You can change the company name, the address, your email, and your phone number. Then we have the checkout where you can set your payment processors like connecting your Stripe account or connecting your PayPal account or changing the country and the currency of your store. Then we have the sales taxes where you can set your taxes. And then we have the units where you can change the language, as you can see, or edit the units that you have. So that's it guys for these sections. Let's go back to the overview and then let's proceed to the editing phase by clicking on the edit site button. And here we will need to give it a few seconds to load. It will not take much of time, just be patient, it will load up right now. So here as you can see it's still loading, and here it is. We have the setup guide if you want to go with it, if not just leave it and ignore it, it will disappear right now. And they will show up the styles, which is the first step of creating our store, choosing a style for the store as you can see. But let's wait first for the store to complete its loading, and then we will choose one of these styles and check if it fits our store or not. So just be patient guys, and here it is. This is our store. So let's choose one of these styles. Let's start with the first one and let's check if it fits our store. Now the typing disappeared in here because of the black color. Let's change it. Let's change it to this one and let's check again. Here it's good, but it's a little bit, I think let's choose another one. Let's see, let's go with this one and let's see. No, this one is not for this. Let's choose this one and let's check again. So here I think this one is good, so I'm going to use this one. Click on apply site styles, and then you have the site design if you want to change the style again, and also if you want to change, if you want to add an image to be your logo, if you want to change colors, change fonts, change the shape of the buttons, and if you want to change the site's elements, you will need to upgrade your plan from the free version to the paid one to do that. And when you're done with the site's design, click on done. And if you want to search for a domain, you can just type it in here. If not, just close this one, dismiss all, dismiss again, and the plus button if you want to create a new section, page or item or so on. And here this is the pages that you have if you want to edit them or change them. So that's it guys for today's video. I hope you found it useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends.